Hello guys, this is Philip from Yellowood. We are here in Portugal and we are going to tell you how to put the trucks on the deck. This is the second video. If you didn't watch the first one, we explain you how to put the tape on the deck. So now we're going to stage 2. Okay, when you buy from our website, you get this package with the trucks, and inside you also have this little bag with the screws and the Y key, which are important to this whole process. You also get a sticker pack. So let me point this down here. Okay, so this is the way I like to do it. There are several ways, but each one of you guys can do it the way you like it most. The way I like to do it is to put the screws like this and put them in place. The 4 screws first. Make sure they come a little bit on the other side of the deck, not much, just enough for the truck to stick there. This is a tricky part, and you need the patience. This is the most important thing, is patience. Do this slowly. Don't rush it, because if you rush it, you will probably strip the head of the screws. So this is the way I like to do it. It's first put the screws in place, so you can see a little bit on the other side, enough for you to place the trucks where they are supposed to be, and you are sure the screws will go in the right position. You can do this with the Y key that comes with the trucks, and you can also do it with our magnetic tool. This is a lot easier, and we advise everybody that has our trucks, or especially the ones that have more than one, to use this tool. It's a lot easier. Y key is cool to have with you to carry around if you need to adjust something, but to assembly, the other one is a lot easier. So you need to screw in a cross formation. It's the best way, and you make sure that you make the even pressure while screwing. It's important to do this slowly with time, not to strip the heads. We use Ytrucks key, which is pretty common nowadays in cell phones and other devices. It's used because it strips less than the Phillips head, but it's pretty easy already in place, you can see. Okay, let's do it for the other side. Same thing. Screws first in the place, a little bit of the head on the other side, just enough for them. I see some people doing one screw and putting the base like this, just screwing the base there, but I don't like to do it that way. I prefer to put the 4 screws first. This makes sure the base will be in the right position, and it's easier and faster to do. Okay, screws in place. You can see a little, just enough for the base plate to stick in the place, and I like to hold with this finger so I can turn it easier and look at what I am doing. And in cross formation, slowly you start to screw them. If you hear a noise like trrr, it's a bad sign. It means you are stripping the head. You should always make some pressure and feel the screw go in. Okay, so pretty easy, perfect, simple operation. I like this screw a lot better. It's easy to give this final touch. If you want, make sure that everything is in the right place. We really advise you to buy this one because it's a great acquisition. Okay, so stage 2. Stage 2, it's done. We have the deck and the trucks ready. Now we just need the wheels, and stay tuned for next video. Peace out.